Oh my gosh. Oh my god. It is here. What's up everyone and welcome back to the Owl's Nest. Today's video we have a special pop to unbox right here. You're going to want to stick around for this one. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, we are back for another Funko Pop unboxing. You're going to want to stick around for this because it is really freaking cool and I got it for a good deal. Before we go any further, I do want to say thank you to all the subscribers, new and old. I greatly appreciate it. Like I said in previous videos, I don't know what I have done to made you press that subscribe button, but thank you very much. I greatly appreciate it. I believe this pop right here is one of the most anticipated pops of ECCC because as most of you know that I am a My Hero fan. You can see a bunch of stuff behind me. That's My Hero. This is a My Hero pop, and you know exactly what it is. It is really freaking awesome. I've been scouting the Mercari website. I've been scouting eBay for trying to find the best deal possible. I've set feelers out for this. I've tried to get it as low as possible, the lowest price possible. The one thing that bothers me is look how crunched up it is. I'm going to really hate it if it is really damaged, because even though I got it at a good deal, I did still pay money for this thing. So hopefully it's in not that bad of condition. It kind of feels heavy too, so maybe it's in a pop stack. I don't know. Let's just open it. There's what the packing situation looks like right there. Pop, more bubble wrap. Sorter. 1, 2, 3, bam. There it is right there. It is in a pop protector. Heck yeah. I will be replacing the pop protector because I use Pop Shield pop protectors. But there it is right there. Najiri. Yes, I know. I've been mispronouncing the name Nejire. So apologies for the video here on out. I believe I kind of like messed it up. I was just excited to open the pop. I was just excited to get the pop for a really, really good deal. So I completely apologize for mispronouncing her name. Sorry for the rest of the video. Really freaking awesome pop. Like I said, a Grail in the series. Recent Grail because it just released like a week ago, I guess. Week and a half ago. But there it is right there. The Nahiri from My Hero Academia. And the deal that I got it for was, hold on to your seats. Hold on to your seats. Got it for 80 bucks. 80 bucks after the price has been up at, like, I've seen prices at $250 for this pop for the shared sticker. I was expecting the pop protector to be in a little more sturdier shell, but it's kind of flimsy, kind of cheap. The pop is pretty substantial. Alright, let's look at some box damage because $80, you want to know, there might be some damage, but I don't see anything too bad on this. The only thing I kind of see is it's sunken in. You can kind of tell right there. Like right around here, it looks like it's sunken in. I can't get that on camera. You can kind of tell. It's the only thing I can see. Maybe the edges right here is kind of like popped up a little bit. See right there on this side too. That's the only thing I can see that would be wrong with this pop, unless there's something wrong with the actual pop inside, because I've heard horror stories of people getting their pop and it being damaged, like the actual pop damaged. Legs falling off, arms falling off, you know, so on and so forth. Oh my god, that's crazy. And there we have it right there, the Najiri from My Hero Academia. Look at the detail in that. That is really freaking sweet. Holy crap, man. That is really cool. Super excited to get this pop. I mean, look at the back. That hair. Like I said, this pop is pretty substantial. It weighs a lot. There it is right there, Najiri from My Hero Academia. Really freaking sweet pop. A definite grail in the collection because we wasn't able to go to Hot Topic to get this because she was only Funko Shop exclusive. So yeah, let me see if I can get her to stand. How is she going to stand? Oh, there's like a hole at the bottom. Ooh, I don't know about that. That feels really sensitive. Her legs feel really sensitive, like they're going to pop off. So I don't know if I'll even display this out of box? Probably not, because this is a... Ooh, I don't know. I don't know about that, man. There we go. We barely got it on there, but there she is right there. Nigiri from My Hero Academia. Really freaking awesome. Glad to get this one in the collection. I'm still missing the Ochaka Chase. I need to get that one. Hopefully they restock. I'm pretty sure they'll restock, but for now we have the Nahiri. This is one of the recent grails. Nahiri from My Hero Academia. Well, that's my time for now. I'd like to thank you for clicking and watching. Be sure to give this video a like, a comment, and a subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. So I guess the question of the video would be, what is your #1 grail? Mine would probably have to be the Ochaka mask, the ECCC 2015, because it's up there. It's up there in price right now. So that's my grail. Leave your comments down below. And on behalf of the Owl's Nest, I'll see you flock of collectors in the next one.